With my bug assault gun, I've got a laser sight kit here. Here's everything that came with it. Comes with the directions, the batteries, some sticky tape, a couple of Allen wrenches, and then this piece right here. Here's the laser sight right here. It's gonna mount right around here, just like that. So first I'm just gonna go ahead and loosen up these Allen screws with the provided Allen wrench. That way I can loosen this up and slide it around the barrel. There we go. Go ahead and tighten that down. Okay, so you've got an X and Y axis here for adjusting your sight too. So if you adjust these two right here, you can see, you can move that. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right on center. Okay, to put the batteries in, you just unscrew this right here. You're gonna put 3 batteries in, and it's gonna go in with the beveled side towards the front. So this part, positive, is gonna go in the back. So we put 1, 2, 3 batteries in like that. And just put the cap on the back there. There we go, now we're on. That's your on and off switch right back there. There's on. And off. Okay, so what we're gonna do is swap out this temperature, this tactical extension pressure switch. So it's got a little switch right here. That way you can mount it on the side and just push that button to turn the laser on and off. So to do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this back piece. Right there, save that for use later, and go ahead and put this thing on, off. Okay, and this is a quick press button if you just want to press it to leave it temporarily on while you're holding it down, and let it go, it'll turn it off. And this piece here, now as far as putting this on, use some sticky tape to put it on the side. You can put it right up here too. Got the double-sided tape here. Put it right there. All right, there it is with the laser sight mounted, and I've got it on. You get those flies in your sights and pull the trigger. You can really zero in on them with this laser sight too. Got him.